Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Ford Escape S. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust, backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, we got mud flaps on the rear, and we do get blind spot detection with this vehicle, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front, we do have a license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get plenty of cargo space. You got little cargo nooks, got storage, maybe underneath as well. We do get a 12-volt outlet, and you can collapse your last row for extra storage space. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back. We do get a 12-volt outlet, and plenty of leg room in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have manual seats, the same black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, and your lights are just on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 101,993 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your trip 1 and 2, My View, which has your digital speedometer, or you can set it up to these, whatever you prefer. Come on. We have driving assist, audio, oh my, phone, settings, all that jazz. Over here, we do have our gear shift, parking brake, auto hold. You have your drive modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, slippery, and deep sand and snow. You got auto stop, auto start, cup holders, more storage with the USB-C and a 12-volt. You do get storage underneath as well, which is pretty handy. Your climate controls are just right there, storage in the glove compartment. You do have your small infotainment system, which you do have your music, phone, settings, you have your little number pad, tune, and volume. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF00956A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.